Hi everyone, in today's video, I want to guide you on how to create Outlook email address for free. Completely for free, and the process is very simple. Just watch this video to the end. You can use any browser of your choice for this. So I'll use my Mozilla Firefox for this process. You can use your Google Chrome, you can use Opera, you can use Brave, you can use any browsers that suit you the most. Now that you've opened the browser, come to this place on the search engine, type in outlook.com, then hit the enter button on the keyboard. Once you click on that button and you hit the enter button at the keyboard, you have this option here, Microsoft 365, Outlook and others. Here you have buy now, you have sign in, then you have this one, then you can close this one, then scroll down, you see your inbox, organize your day planned, you sign in and download. So keep scrolling. As you scroll, you have different options here. Now let's keep scrolling until we have access to this place. Outlook is better with Microsoft 365. Now you have for individual, then you have for business. You can see then for individual, you click on it, then you have a free version. Don't forget that we are creating for a free version. What do you benefit from this free version? For one person, Outlook email and calendar on a web, desktop, and mobile app. Core Outlook security features like spam filter. Then you enjoy 15 gig of mailbox storage, 5 gig of cloud storage. In total, you're going to enjoy a whopping 20 gig data storage. Web and mobile version of WordPress, Excel, PowerPoint, Note 1, OneDrive, and even more. This is amazing. Now go ahead and click on this create free account button. Once you click on that button, it's going to redirect you to a new page where you have access to this. So here I want to create an Outlook for this. So let me say we have something like this, how to do. Then click on next. So if this email is taken, then you're going to have an error. Then if you click on this arrow, you have Hotmail, you have Outlook. This video is for Outlook, so let it be on Outlook. Click on next button here. You can see that this username is already taken. Let me do it again. Then let's click on this button next. So that has not been taken. Then here it asks me to create my password. Password must be at least 8 characters and include a maximum of uppercase, lowercase, number, and symbol. So you can combine these together, but at least make it at least 8 characters. So let me provide my password here. So you can click on this eye icon to check the password you use here. Then click on this next button. Once you click on the next button, it comes up like this. By default, it's going to bring out your country of residence. So you can click on this and select your country of residence. Then provide your date of birth, month, day, and year here. Then if a child is using this device, create a child account by entering your child date of birth. But guys, this account is for me, so I'll provide my details here. Now go ahead and click on this next button. Once you click on the next button, it comes out like this. Then you need to provide your name. Don't forget, I want to use it for my project. Let me provide a name as my project name. Now check, I would like information tips. So this one, if you want to get information from Microsoft, you can check this, but I don't want that. Then click on next button. Once you click on next button, it brings you this interface that let's prove you are human. Press and hold this button. You need to click and hold for a few seconds so that it fills up. Now that has proof you are a human, not a robot that is using the system. So wait for it now to load. So it now says that let's protect your account. Use a personal email so you can get into your Microsoft account. If you lose access, don't use work or school email. Then I want to use my personal email for this. So let me provide my email. So once you've entered the email address, click on this next button. Now that I've clicked on the next button and the email address I provided, then go to that email address and copy the consent to that email address into this place. So here I've opened the email address and there's the code. I'll just copy this code. Then I'll come to this place and provide this code here. Then I'll click on this next button. Just wait a moment. Now the account is in the process of setting up. Boom. We've been able to create our accounts. Our Outlook account is now created for us. You have a lot of things that you can enjoy here. From here, you can see a lot of things. You can access the PowerPoint here, the Excel, the Microsoft Word here for free. Then you have access to view, file, and lots more. And that's all, guys, on how to create an Outlook email address for free without paying anything. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to share this with family, friends. And see you soon, guys, on our next video.